She is doing well. She got out of the hospital 2 days ago.
I am glad to hear that. Why did she have to go into the hospital?
She had a heart attack, which sadly led to a heart stroke. Her health was in a critical life and death situation for several weeks.
That sounds incredibly intense. I can only imagine the fear and anxiety you all must have felt.
Yes, her health caused serious concern among the family.
Who takes care of her?
My brother and I nursed her back to health. It was undoubtedly challenging, but we rallied together as a family. We spent countless hours at the hospital, offering our support and encouragement. We constantly kept in touch with doctors, seeking updates on her condition and treatment options.
It's incredible to hear how your family came together during such a crisis. I'm glad your mother is on the path to recovery now.
Thank you. It was a tough journey, but with the medical team's expertise, our love, and her own strength, she managed to pull through. We're truly grateful for every step of progress she's made since then.
My stepfather also experienced a period of ill health about a year ago.
Oh no, I'm sorry to hear that. How is he now?
He is okay now. Although he was aware of the health risks of eating fried food, he was a fried food fanatic. However, his health has improved since he cut fatty foods out of his diet.
That's great to hear. It's important to make dietary changes after such health scares. Fried food can be quite harmful to everyone's health. Instead, we should try to consume more vegetables and fruits.
Absolutely. A balanced diet with plenty of fresh produce is crucial for good health. What about your father? Is he in poor health too?
He has been blessed with excellent health, even though he is over 60. He takes good care of his health by avoiding junk food, exercising regularly, and maintaining a healthy lifestyle.
That's commendable. It's clear he understands the impact of unhealthy foods on overall health.
Yes, he firmly believes that what we eat plays a significant role in preventing various health problems.
Certainly. The nutritional value of food is much more important than its taste. It's essential to prioritize our health. I wish she got over the illness and returned to full fitness.
I appreciate your kind words and well wishes. It has been a wake-up call for all of us to prioritize our health and cherish every moment we have together. Please share and like if you enjoyed the video.